Quorum specialise in sample preparation for electron microscopy. Researchers around the world are trying to keep samples in their most natural form so that they can be studied. So at Quorum here we provide instrumentation that cleans samples, that coats samples. Our cryosystem freezes samples, so for things like battery research, and we have a series of coating instrumentation for precious metals and also carbon evaporation. The original business goes back right to the 1960s, and it's actually formed of two separate businesses and two separate brands within the industry, and they were brought together to form Quorum Technologies in 2001. Around 90% of our work is export. So in the UK we deal directly with end users, and those end users may be industrial customers, they may be in pharmaceutical companies. We work with universities across the country. Around the world we have a network of distributors that represent us, and those distributors then work directly with the end users in those countries, in research environments or in industrial environments. And then in addition to that, we worked directly with the OEM, so the manufacturers of the electron microscopes, and they're based again around the world. We work with all of them. There are actually 6, and we've got really good relationships with them. Typical contract value tends to be anything from a few £1,000 to a few £100,000. We have received orders in excess of millions, but that really depends on the distributor that's doing projects in particular areas of the world and their requirements at that time. But generally between £5,000 and £200,000. What we do here at Quorum is really important to me, but also to our staff. Because we're involved in almost every area of research around the world. So any customer that has an electron microscope, and they tend to have some touch point with our instrumentation. And that means, our team could be involved in supercars one day, involved in a certain type of ice cream another day, but everything really depends on what the overall research is from the customer. So it's quite an exciting place to work.